preserve my life according to your promise. Salvation is far from the wicked, for they do not seek out your decrees. Your compassion, Lord, is great. Preserve my life according to your laws. Many are the foes who persecute me, but I have not turned from your statutes. I look on the faithless with loathing, for they do not obey your word. See how I love your precepts. Preserve my life, Lord, in accordance with your love. All your words are true. All your righteous laws are eternal. Rabbi tzari vehatzilani, ki lo shachachti toratecha gen alai ubibhani. Shmo chayai keberecha chokai yeshua meshaim. כי לא מבקשים חוקותיך רב חסדך. השמו שמו חיוקיך רק כמה ותפקודך. שמור חייך השם